Hello everybody, this is Dipti sir, and this is my second motivational video. My first motivational video was for parents and teachers, and my second motivational video, this one, is for students, and this video is about task completion. Dear students, if you do not complete a task, what are the major problems that arise? The first problem is a lack of self esteem, and the second major problem is lack of self confidence. The third thing is that there will be lack of attention in the class, and then what would happen? Classroom participation would be definitely lower, and the trust between a teacher and a student is very vital for the progress of a student. And when that trust is not established, or that trust is in any way that is lowered, then definitely a teacher would not trust you as he or she used to. So including that, what will happen? You cannot perform as per your potential. You will lose your creative energy. Okay, your innovative thoughts will no longer exist, and you will feel that guilty. The guilty feeling will come to you, and definitely you start thinking, yeah, I could have done that. I am giving you a story for that. Day one, um, one mother came, or one father came and saw his child. Time evening 8:30. The child is listening to music, or the child is just having fun, okay, reading some storybooks, or the child is playing carom with his or her siblings. The mother or the father gets annoyed, irritated. What is happening here? Understand? The first question comes, have you completed your homework? Have you completed your task? The child quickly answers, yes, I have completed it. Okay, okay, you should study. Okay, father, okay, mother, today I don't like to study, and I feel a little tired. Okay, so I want to relax for the half an hour. I want to relax. Okay, day two. Suppose it is in the evening time, the child is involved in some other activity beyond his study. Suppose the child loves painting. The child is doing a beautiful paint, and father comes and tells, it is 9 p.m. and you are not studying and doing painting. Have you completed your homework? Have you no task for today? Yes, I have completed my homework and I am enjoying my hobby now. Okay, the father takes a book and puts 2 or 3 questions. The child answers them. The father gives 1 or 2 sums from mathematics to do that. The child quickly does that. Day 3, it is time 11 or 11:30. Mother is telling the child, you go and sleep. It is too late. It is 11:30. The child is telling, no, I have some task to do. I am doing. I cannot sleep. Exactly in the early morning, the child gets off. Huh? You slept at 12 and still you get off just at 5? Usually you get up at 6 or 6:30. Today you get up at 5. What is strange? And the child answers, no, I have some important tasks to do. That's I am doing. Students, all these things I am telling you about task completion. The first or second incident may be annoyed or irritating for the parents, but the third incident was also strange for the parents. And students, this is something I am telling about task completion. If there is task for you, dear students, don't leave any task. If you leave the task, if you do not complete it, then automatically you will get pressure into your mind. That will be added pressure. Who will do the task for you? You have to do. Understand? So why not to face the challenges? If you face some difficulties, then yes, these are the difficulties. Try out them. Use your brain. Okay, don't think that every difficulty will be just I have to put that to my teacher or to my guide, to my parents, to my tutor, they will solve. No, you have to use your brain. Okay, and we are the best teachers of ourselves. When you use your brain, you get the right answer. Second thing, don't try to please your parents by showing your fake self study. Means when you really not interested in study, or if you are bored or if you are tired, then take a 5 minutes break or take a 10 minutes or 15 minutes break for your study. Do your favorite thing. If you love, write a poem. If you want to go out, you can want to go out. If you love dancing, do a dance, your best music. If you love music, listen to music. If you want something, if you want to do that, and that will boost your energy. Understand? I have one student whose mother used to tell that, sir, my child studies only for 2 or 3 hours in the evening. She or he needs to study more. And I answered, what is the hobby of your child? She told that my child loves dancing. Then I told, okay, tell your child to dance for 45 minutes. Whenever he gets bored of dancing, then automatically he or she will study. This is the thing. Understand? But students, without completion of task, if you develop complacency in you, तुम यदि भाविबो जे हाँ मो टास्क अछि मु काली सारी देबी, अरे काली संडे अछि सारी देबी नी, एते व्यस्त काहे होउची, टास्क आराम से कर देबी ना. दैट इज अ रॉन्ग थिंग. प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन जोटा को आम भगवत गीतार दीर्घसूत्री भाव बोली कहते, दीर्घसूत्री भाव, प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन और कम्प्लासेंट एटीट्यूड. हाँ मु काली सारिदेवी, एटा करदेवी, सेटा करदेवी. Nobody has seen tomorrow. काली कहीं देखिनी. Understand? So what is your present task? Do it now. Understand? Whatever task is given, it is not that only school task is given or some coaching task is given or parents have given you some task to do. No, you assign self task. Whenever some students say I have no task, what to do? No task किछि नथिबो, किछि task निजको दियो. Okay, एवं से task टा complete करो. And you see, when you complete everyday's task, okay, without the fear, कोनोसी भय नहीं, without the feeling of appeasing my parents, मो parents को खुशी करी बोली मो task करी ना, मोरे करिवार अछि, it is my duty. And if you everyday do some task, definitely your pressure will be reduced and gradually you will improve. Okay, in my childhood, my mother used to tell me, first complete your task. If you complete your task, then the day is yours. And students, if you enjoy doing what task is given to you, okay, be involved in that task. Don't leave anything for tomorrow, what you can do today. Okay, thank you students for watching this. And if you really love this video, then do subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.